Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tiana.
I'm Cameron.
And it's so hot, so we just eating this popsicle. And Caden's over there.
He not doing this. Why
Yeah,
can't
it
do
looks
on
so
my
good
phone?
and it is good. And we got Choo eating his food like always. Eating my
Papa say like always.
popsicle.
Popsicle.
Yeah. And we all had something to eat, and we just wanted a snack.
So we got a snack.
Ooh, this is cold.
I know. My teeth actually cold.
Just look at Timmy and Sally throwing the old disc around. Come on and call it, sis. I just want to say I'm going to be real sad when you go off to college. Oh, Sally, don't be such a goof. You know I'll always be your
Tell me
big
no.
brother.
Bye, guys.